Hey, my name is Joshua Grayson, and I'm here with,
Tika Photography.
and we're here at Six Flags Over Georgia, checking out the new ride, Georgia Gold Rusher, that is opening this Saturday, guys. This Saturday, you need to be here at Six Flags Over Georgia to check out Georgia Gold Rusher, the new awesome ride here. So here we go, we're gonna take off. We're gonna go forward a little bit. Now, we're gonna launch backwards. Oh my goodness. Okay, little air time. Now we're gonna launch forward, baby. Oh! 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 All right, now we're gonna go back. Oh! Oh!
That airtime is crazy.
Oh!
Woo!
Oh! Now going all the way up. Oh! Yeah! Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, that airtime was crazy. That is so much fun.
Yeah, that was great.
So,
Oh, that airtime was wild.
all right, guys, you have to get here to Six Flags Over Georgia and check it out. Opening this Saturday, guys.
This Saturday.
Georgia Gold Rusher. Oh my gosh, what an amazing ride! Great addition to the park, guys. Come and check it out. Absolutely fun.
That was nice.
Oh my God.